Well, some of our favorite Suncoast performers are taking the stage in a world premiere musical review at West Coast Black Theater. It's about the life of Mahalia Jackson, and Nate actually wrote the show and is performing in it. It's called How Did I Get Over? Now here with a song from the show is Tara Connor-Jones. Take it away, Tara.
Soon I will be done with the trouble of this world, trouble of the world, trouble of this world. Oh Lord, soon I will be done with the trouble of this world, going home to live with God. I want to meet my mother. Oh, I want to meet my mother. Oh, Lord, I want to meet my mother, going home to live with God. Oh, soon I will be done with the trouble of this world, trouble of this world, trouble of the world. Oh Lord, soon I will be done with the trouble of this world, going home to live with God.
Man, she sung that song. Great job, Tara. Now, Tara is going to come and join us. But in the meantime, Nate, I want to find out a little bit more about the Queen of Gospel, Mahalia Jackson. You know, who is she? Who was she, I should say?
Mahalia was coined the Queen of Gospel because of her unique style of singing traditional gospel music. She is also known for being the first black female gospel singer to sing in Carnegie Hall.
Oh, wow.
And she also did a lot about taking traditional gospel internationally to Europe and London. People just love to hear this woman sing. She was very influential with Dr. Martin Luther King for the Civil Rights Movement, because the show, How I Got Over, talks about
That's what
music.
I was going to ask you. What's next? Like, how did this show come about?
It was inspired by a local gospel singer that performs at my church. She's a woman who has a very deep gospel roots and background, gospel group that was born and kind of like nourished in the city of Sarasota. She inspired the show.
Oh.
But it talks about how music is a vital part of all people culture, but how gospel music is really in the lifeblood of African American experience and African American culture, and how the music helped the people in general get over.
All right, and so Tara, how did you research for the role to, to sing this?
Well, I think I could say I've been researching for over 20 years now. I've always been a fan of Mahalia Jackson, but most recently I spent some time in New Orleans, Louisiana, a few months ago, which is the birthplace of Mahalia Jackson.
Wow.
I had an opportunity to visit her grave, try to take in the whole essence of who Mahalia Jackson was. And she was known, of course, as a woman with a big voice.
Well, I can tell you based on the voice that I just heard, you have a pretty big one also, and you have another
Yes.
song that you guys are going to sing for us.
We do.
So, and Nate, you're going to join them?
I am.
All right, so while they get in place, I just want to tell you how you can see this. It's a tribute to Mahalia Jackson, runs through August the 14th. You can get tickets by going to westcoastblacktheater.org, and you can get your tickets there and see this fabulous show. Now, they're going to be joined by another cast member, Brian Boyd. So all you guys, take it away.
Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? When Jesus is my portion, constant friend, He's on the sparrow, and I know God watches me. I sing because I'm happy.
I sing because I'm happy.